It's always a good day when you go to the mailbox and the new Auto Modeler magazine is there. Yeah, Auto Modeler magazine. February, March 2025, issue number 4. Yep, this is a great magazine, guys, and it's going strong. They're already on issue number 4, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. So enough of the jaw jacking, and let's get inside this thing, and I'm going to show you why I like it so much and why I think you should subscribe to Auto Modeler magazine. Not only is it a great magazine, but it is definitely something cool for our hobby, which we definitely need. But starts off typical magazine, talking about some stuff, the new stuff. I always like this little section, show you some new stuff that's out. Looks like Iceman's got some new stuff. He always does. He's always producing some cool stuff. And chrome plating. Chrome plating is back. Oh, what was the company back in, what, the 90s, where you could send stuff off to get chrome plated? Let me know down below if you ever used to send stuff off like that and got it chrome plated. I thought that was a thing of the past. Oh, it's going to bug me now who that company is. Who is that? Got Spotlight Hobby. That's going to bug me now. I'll probably think of it when I'm done shooting this video. If you know, let me know down below. 3D printing. I'll tell you what. This hobby is really... I think this has really made the hobby just boom, blow up. Here's a cool truck. This guy's 25th scale 3D printing this truck. I love building trucks. I'd like to have this thing. I'm going to look into this. This is my first time going through this magazine, so I will sit down and read it page to page, cover to cover, when I get done with this. But I just want to show you guys how cool this is. And I am super excited. This is nice. Tell you what, 3D printing, guys, is something else. Especially in grills on 3D printing, how they can have them all open and everything. We don't have to sit there and sand them down and take 5 hours to open up a grill. Very cool. Oh, yeah. On the cover. Speaking of the cover, does that kind of give you Carcraft, Hot Rod vibes? Remember Carcraft magazine, Hot Rod magazine? They may still be around, but I'm talking back in the 80s. Kind of Hot Rod Carcraft vibes right there. Yeah, that's nice. I love them. Oh, look at that. Look at that rear end. I love a Mopar. Very nice. Very cool car. Always like a high wing car. Always wanted to have a high wing car. Never be able to afford one, but maybe I can build 20 models of a high wing. It's like it tells you how he built it, which is always cool. Definitely those scale auto vibes too right here. Telling you how he did everything. Very neat. I like this. Man, I am digging the mag already, and we're only on, what, page 12? Oh, here you go. Here you go. Topping off your ride. Yep, add the vinyl top. This magazine will be worth your weight in gold just to get this if you've ever wanted to learn how to do a vinyl top. This looks like it's going to tell you step by step how to do a vinyl top. Nice. And I get asked that a lot. I've done a couple cars with vinyl tops. How'd you do it? It takes a half hour to explain it, and they're looking at you with deer in the headlight looks. So definitely get the magazine just for the vinyl top article. Oh yeah, it gets in deep into it. Nice. I can't wait to read this to see how he did it. I got my way of doing it. And there's always, you can always learn a new way. So if you got a way of doing it, here's a way right here. Ooh, another. Oh, GTX. Always like this body style. Always like that wraparound grill. Nice. 71 Plymouth GTX. Very cool. Man, digging the mag. Got the Mopars. Got the Mopars. There's no street rod. Bad pork. That cool or what? I'm telling you guys, you dig this magazine. You gotta subscribe to the mag. It's a great one. check these guys. I wonder if they're going to run a feature in here. I'll check these guys out. So here's a couple channels to check out. The Lucas C channel on YouTube. In fact, old Lucas C premieres this magazine with the guy that does this magazine. So you'll have to look for that video every month that old Lucas C does. Here's another channel, Scale Model Outlaw. I met this dude at the Acme show. He's a cool... He's funny. He's a good dude to hang around with. Made me laugh all weekend. STS Decals is advertising. If you need any custom decals at all, go to STS. They can set you up, print them up, send them to you. I've ordered a million things from STS, used them, love them. Can't talk good enough about STS decals. Don't want to skip a page. Ah, that's cool. Neat old dragster. And even if this isn't your cup of tea, this dragster, the article's still worth reading because there's always a tip or two you can pick up, which is always neat. So it talks about how he did the dragster. Model Roundup. Can't talk good enough about Model Roundup. People always ask me, where can I buy models at? If you don't have a local hobby shop and you have to go online, Model Roundup. They've been around for a million years, have the best website ever. Model Roundup's the place to go to buy models if you don't have a local brick and mortar store. VCG Resins, he's advertising. Support these advertisers, guys. Get Hinged. Good buddy Alex. Alex is writing for this magazine. He's a truck builder. He does a lot of semis. And it looks like he's done a complete article on how to hinge doors. You can also take this and incorporate it into your car doors on your models if you're not a truck builder. Very cool. Looking forward to reading this article, Alex. Good job, buddy. I'm going to skip a page. Oh my goodness. Gee, wow. That is bad. I like that. I like that. Oh my goodness, why didn't I think of that? I have looked at this kit 1,000 times and passed on it because I'm old school and into the old original Batmobile, so I poo-pooed this kit. I may have to buy this kit and kind of copy off you, John, and maybe kind of come up with my own concept. I like that. That is bad to the bone. I like that, John. Great job. Man, that's cool. I'm getting goosebumps just looking at this thing. That is so cool. Oh, all right, on. Let's move on, Tim. N&L West. N&L West? Last year? No, this year? And N&L West, January 4th. That was just, I'll tell you what, they also put out show coverage awful quick. That was just about a month or so ago. Very nice. Good show coverage. I followed that build. I think it was on Facebook, I think. Cool. I like seeing show coverage, especially the shows I can't get to, and I go to a lot of shows. Ah, the old wedge racer. Nice. Very cool. Like the show coverage, guys. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Like that old Mopar. I followed that build too. That's a cool build. That lowrider food truck. Very neat. Scrapbook. Looks like they give a little miscellaneous pictures from the show, which is also a cool idea. Ah, here we go. How to subscribe to the magazine. You can go to their automodelermag.com. You can subscribe there. Just, you got to subscribe, guys. I'm telling you, you'll like this magazine. I guarantee it. You'll love it. You will love this magazine. You can do a mail-in. Alright, there's how you subscribe. Or you can also, another thing you can do, you can go to their Facebook page and follow them on Facebook. Here's their Facebook page right here. And you can ask them questions, see what's going on, find out what the next issue is coming out and everything. Here's a model show I've never been to, the Mid-Iowa Modelers N&L Expo. Alright, cool. Another cool model content. Oh, I like that truck. Nice. Love the show coverage. Love the show coverage. It's nice. I've always wanted to build an all blown out NASCAR. Looking good, looking good. Love the show coverage. What we got? Don't want to miss a page. Is it gonna go? There we go. More show cut. Ooh, that's a cool 57. I like that. That's how they look too, sitting on a trailer for sale. Nice. Scrapbook. That is something they're doing, which is like extra pictures from the show. Very cool. I like that. That's a great idea. Nice idea. Digging this, man. Digging it. Digging it. You guys are going to dig this mag too. I know you will. Man, if I like it, you're going to like it. Trust me. There's a kit you don't see too often. In fact, I can't even remember the last time I saw that kit. Building the AMT 65 Chevy convertible Impala SS. Talks about building that. Cool. The old Kenworth K100 that I think just came out. This kit right here. And it is a great kit. In fact, oh, good old Alex. What's Alex got to say? Alex says, I'll start off this review by saying this is one of the easiest and nicest assembling AMT big rigs I've ever done. Top 10 on my list. With that being said, let's move into the review on the kit. You're right, Alex. Everyone asks me, I want to build a big rig. What's a good one? This is one of them right here. Get that kit. It's a great kit that goes together. Can't wait to read what you got to say about it. I've built this one a whole bunch of times too, so anxious to see what you got to say. Nice job, Alex. Good to see you writing for the magazine. Good to see it. The AMT 125th scale 57 Chevy. Nice. Pretty paint job. Alright, talks about that. Here's a Tamiya 240Z. Talks about building that. And again, you know what? This Z isn't my cup of tea, and if it's not yours either, I'm still going to read the article. I'm going to tell you why. He's probably talking about wiring and stuff. You can always pick up tips and tricks on wiring and everything. Or whatever this guy wrote, I guarantee you can pick something up. Say, man, that's an easier way than I've been doing it. So I'm looking forward to reading this. And nice job on the engine, by the way, Mark. Very cool. What else we got here? Again, this is issue number 4, guys. And I don't know if you can go back and get issue 1, 2, or 3 or not. Big article on that. There's an Iceman article, or advertisement. You go to Iceman. He's got all kinds of stuff. Iceman probably has, and I've said this to a lot of people, Iceman probably has the best website to navigate on purchasing 3D printed parts. I've bought a lot of stuff from him. Atomic City, oh man, they're doing it up right. Atomic City, they're in Ohio. I'm anxious to get to this hobby shop. This is a cool hobby shop, and they've got a lot of Johann stuff. So if you're looking for anything Johann, definitely contact Atomic City. There's the contact information right there. Contact them and see what they got. They got a lot of stuff, and they go to a lot of shows too. So I've talked to these guys a lot. What else we got? Giving yourself permission to truly enjoy your model car hobby. Interesting. Oh, you kind of got my attention. Who wrote it? Tim Boyd. Oh, okay, cool. Tim Boyd does a lot of writing for the model magazines. In fact, I just picked up a book from Tim Boyd that he has done. It's this book right here. You may have seen it on my last video. I was starting to read it, and I'm in the process. I'm about halfway through with it. It is an excellent book, and I cannot wait to do a review on this book that Tim Boyd did. You guys are going to love this book, and I highly recommend it. But I'm anxious to read this article, Tim. You've got my attention with that. Very cool. Very cool. Nice. Issue number 4, guys. February, March 2025. Auto Modeler Magazine. Guarantee you're going to like it. We'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.